Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys the Luminesce Glow honest review. Is it legit or scam? As you can see, we're on the Trustpilot and they have a review of 3.2 and most of them are either 5-star or 1-star. So let's go. One person says that it is better than going to a clinic, and then another person says that they were skeptical at first but it was very good, worth every penny, smooth experience, love it. Now let's go for the 1-stars and see what these people have to say. Scammer, very poor service. I ordered it on 26th August. As you can see, 5 days. And then another person says like on 9th September, scam. They placed their order but still have not received it. Also, their refund isn't working. And then as you can see, another person says the product is defective, poor customer service, cheap and scam, dishonest company, things like that. So I would say that you should not go for this one because some people are saying legit, some people are saying scam, but honestly the legit reviews can be bought. So but that is just my opinion. If a close friend has tried it and like recommended it to you, only then you can use it. Otherwise, don't listen to the internet and go for it. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.